The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch.
Dancehall. I'm not giving you my ID.
Why are you here?
What you mean why I'm here? Because my family know that. I don't have to tell you this. Do you get behind every? I'm not doing it. Nah, I'm not doing it. Hey, Miss Iffy, how we doing?
You know her then?
Yes, I do.
Okay, I'm not trying to make a scene.
Yeah, it seemed like it. You can sit here going behind me. Who other people?
Doing videotape.
Who other people do you get behind us?
I get behind anybody who drives through a neighborhood and drives
Look, I'm
out
from
slowly.
Claremont.
Okay, who are you?
And I know Mr. Gerald too. He used to
Okay.
be the chief of police.
Yeah, I know him too.
All right, then. So why are you behind me? You don't got to get behind me. My family's home here, and I'm not giving you my ID.
Yeah, you are.
Are you? No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
No, I'm not. They don't know me. Know me when I was exactly.
Okay. Now, just answer my question. Were you looking for my Smire's house or what?
Looking for Miss Smart. My family comes here. What is the
Okay,
problem?
why were you on Dogwood?
Because what? Because it's a free state, and then I can sit there and drive where I want to drive at. Do you follow any white person around that's sitting there
Yes,
driving?
I do.
Well, why you following me? The car ain't stolen.
No.
You did the tag, so why are you messing with me? Don't sit there and help somebody that needs your help, because we don't need your help. If you do, I know how to go there. I know how to call the used to be the chief, Gerard.
Gerard? We never had Gerard chief.
Well, you know who I'm talking about. He knows me too.
Okay.
Anybody that's from Claremont knows me.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm from Claremont.
Oh.
I don't know if he done anything wrong. He's
I
going
didn't
down
do
the
nothing
street And he's driving real slow, like he's looking around. And I'm going to make sure that you were not anyone else trying to break into somebody else's house.
How? When you sit there and see for sign sale for houses.
For sale.
For sale houses.
How many-
Houses for sale. You can't go around. So I guess in the United States you can't go around and look at houses no more, right?
You can do that. How many
All right,
signs-
then.
How many houses did you see for sale?
How many houses?
Plenty.
I seen this house right
Plenty.
here for sale, and I seen the houses over there. But it's a Sunday. I can't drive.
No, you can drive.
Okay then. So why are you bothering me? Why are you harassing me?
I'm not harassing.
Yes,
This
you
is
are.
harassment.
You pull, dude. So you know Miss Smart. Why you pulling here? Because I know her.
Miss
And he
Snyder,
just called
you
for
know him,
backup
correct?
too.
Okay. Okay. Miss Snyder knows you. That's fine. Got him, Okay. I ain't here to crash you. Film all you want.
And we'll
I ain't
do.
here to harass you.
You see my fiance in the car. You see my child in the car. But we're going to sit there and rob.
And we
houses,
have to
right?
feel
But
scared.
I'm not arguing. You're the one arguing with me.
No, because it's not right. Why did you do that?
Because I don't know who you are.
Okay. And you say you from around here. Okay. That's funny.
I was born and raised here.
Okay.
Okay.
You tell me who you are, I might know.
You know-
You don't have. He
you don't
doesn't
need
have
know
to
who
tell
I am.
you.
You don't need to know who I am.
Does not have to tell you.
And like I said, this lady knows me. You didn't even have to say that, Miss Iffy.
You don't have to.
Exactly,
It's
but
none
he's
of his
from here though.
business, isn't it?
He's from here.
Yeah,
How long
I'm
you
from
been
here.
here?
57 years.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
You was born and raised here?
Born and raised.
Oh, okay. But you don't know him, but you was born and raised here. Okay.
A lot of people here I don't know.
Oh, okay.
I don't
And
know
this is
you.
helping the
Oh,
community.
exactly.
Helping
Okay,
the
so can I help you with anything else?
I'm fine.
All
If
right.
she knows you, I'm fine.
Yeah.
You have a good day.
You as well.
See, Miss Iffy, that's what me and my dad be talking about all the time. Stuff
Wouldn't
like
do this to a white person.
We sit here looking at houses, but you got to get behind you. Oh, you got a baby in the car. I got a baby in the car. So why are you going to sit there and think somebody's going to do something with the baby in the car?
It's ridiculous.
It's because I'm black.
It's because
That's what it is. It's because I'm black. But, you know, that's what it is. You go follow us the whole time.
It's not obligated to give your ID. You don't have to give them your ID. At all.
I didn't do nothing wrong. You already called the car in. You know the car is stolen and done. So why are you sitting there following me around?
Viewers and subscribers, big up and respect. This is Dancehall, you know. Now, some of the times I see these videos on social media, I really and truly have to stop and think and look, you know, and really ask myself if this is really some racial profiling thing that's happening in the video. You see me? You know what I mean? Because, you know, sometimes persons out there take things way out of context. You see me? I've said that before in previous videos that I've done, you know. And right about now, this video is one of those videos that is out on social media where I have to ask the question if this is some form of racial profiling that's going on. You get the viewers and subscribers. First things first, this video is out on social media where it says that racial profiling in a place that is known as Claremont, that is somewhere within the United States of America. Alright? And based on some of the things that have been said in the video as well, you know, it would seem as if, you know, it is within that place that is known as Claremont in the United States of America. Now, viewers and subscribers, it shows of a police officer, or you can say, no, a law enforcer, right? And this person asking for identification from a person that would seems to be, you know, an African descendant. You see me, viewers and subscribers? Now, before I give my opinion about this video, I want to say that I'm the kind of person that respects the law. Yes, I respect the law and I do not support no form of illegal activities. You get what I'm saying to you? Now, what I'm about to say, viewers and subscribers, some persons out there might not agree with what I'm about to say, but however, if I ever find myself in a situation like this, I would just comply with the officer. Yes, I would just give him the paperwork and say, look, here is my ID, here is my documents for the car, here is this, here is that, and just get it out of the way. You see what I'm saying to you? Because, you know, there's a reason why I say that, no, viewers and subscribers, and there's a reason why I would do that. I would just comply because I've seen on social media over and over again where persons out there, you know, refuse to give identification and all these things, and it not end well for them. You get what I'm saying to you? And you know, they are officers, they are police officers, they are here to serve and protect and so on, you know what I mean? And you know, they have rights where they can question persons if they see them looking suspicious to their belief and so on. You get what I'm saying to you? So with all these things now, me look at it and me say to myself, it must be easier to just give them the paperwork and just get it over with. You get what I'm saying to you? Now, with what I just said, you know, I know that persons out there are going to be like, yo, John, no, this and that, and you know, disagree. You know, not everyone, but some might disagree. Yes, what I'm saying to you. But however, that is just my opinion and that is my point of view of the situation, right? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, you can tell me what you think about what you have seen in this video. You know, give me your point of view and opinion towards a situation like this. You see me? Now, based on what you have seen in this video, is it racial profiling or not? Let me know what you think. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments, let me know what you think, and you can read the comments, as sometimes my viewers and subscribers will leave some comments that can be very informative, as well as I myself will leave some comments sometimes in the comment section that will keep you up to date and posted to each video. Alright? Yeah, alright. So until the next time, my name is Seriousskilla. Oh, no, big up on yourself. You see it? Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall.
Hear me now?
Hey yo, Skilla.
You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.